The Realme GT7 Pro is an excellent choice for users who prioritize display brightness, extensive battery life, and high-speed charging. Its cooling technology and Sky communication system also make it ideal for gamers. The GT7 Pro, the Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered phone, brings the world's first underwater photography mode. The phone also comes with a massive battery and one of the brightest displays on the market. The phone is expected to go international later this month. The phone, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, Qualcomm's latest and most powerful mobile processor, delivering a 45% boost in CPU performance and a 40% improvement in GPU efficiency compared to the previous generation. The setup includes 2.32 GHz super cores and 6 3.53 GHz large cores, ensuring a smooth user experience even under demanding conditions. The phone also includes Realme's 11,480mm square dual VC cooling system, promising what the company calls the strongest heat dissipation experience in real-world usage. The GT7 Pro is available with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring fast processing and smooth multitasking. It also includes a dual-sided antenna and Sky Communication System 2.0 for better network reliability and reduced gaming lag, along with an 11,480mm square dual VC cooling system to maintain performance during extended use. Realme GT7 Pro features a versatile camera setup, including a 50-megapixel Sony IMX6 main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel Sony IM82 3x periscope telephoto lens, supporting 6x lossless zoom and up to 120x digital zoom. Its AI Zoom Ultra Clarity feature enhances image quality at higher zoom levels, making it an excellent choice for photography enthusiasts seeking sharper telephoto shots. However, the front camera is limited to 16 megapixels, which is sufficient but could have benefited from a higher resolution. For video, support up to 8K 24fps recording. The GT7 Pro features a 6.78-inch 1.5K LTPO Eco2 OLED Plus microcurve screen from Samsung Display. It comes with a peak brightness of 6,000 nits, HDR10+ support, and Dolby Vision, which offers a truly immersive viewing experience with industry-leading brightness and vibrant colors. It also has a 120% DCI-P3 color gamut and a high 2600 Hz instant touch sampling rate for responsive touch feedback, ideal for gaming and smooth scrolling. On the software front, the GT7 Pro runs on Android 15 with Realme UI 6.0, and Realme commits to 3 major Android updates and 4 years of security patches. The phone, with an IP69 dust and water resistance rating, also supports underwater photography, which is a nice-to-have feature for even top-of-the-line flagships. The Realme GT7 Pro features a substantial 6,500 mAh battery with impressive 120-watt fast charging, reaching 50% in just 14 minutes. Its battery design includes a silicon carbon negative electrode with a high 10% silicon content, enhancing durability and lifespan. Realme's longevity algorithm further ensures battery health for up to 4 years, a valuable feature for users who don't upgrade often, which has contributed to its record-breaking sales. With import availability, its appeal extends beyond China, offering users globally an attractive option in the premium mid-range market. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.